Hello, welcome everybody. We're back with Carpidity, and we will finally continue this saga that has to do with my heads. And if I got the other video out, which I might not have, it will also be doing with the cam that I got a good deal on. So we have a bunch of stuff from Texas Speed Performance here. I'll show you some of the parts. So here's my new camshaft. All right, that's pretty nice. It's got big gnarly lobes. Good camshaft. Got my heads back. Texas Speed Performance. Looks like they did a pretty good job. They look brand new, as you can see. Really nice looking. Titanium retainers, dual springs, steel exhaust valves, and new all kind of stuff. Anyways, it's all good. We got all this stuff. We got new Molly push rods. We got me and Nick's hand ported intake ready to go back in. ARP head bolts. Got some of my gaskets aren't in here. It doesn't matter. So my wife's gonna be pissed because got all this stuff in the living room, but she'll get over it. It'll be okay. Yeah. So let's go look at the car real quick and show you where we're at on that. So this is where we've come on the car so far. If you can see in here, pretty much everything has to come out to get the cam out. Like I said, that was more than we originally planned on doing, but yeah, we have parts everywhere. So since nobody, we couldn't find anybody doing this online, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a few like tips and whatnot. If anybody's watching this trying to figure out how to do it themselves, I mean, you can look in here on the camera and see everything we took off has to come off to get anything off of here. Where were some parts that were hard to figure out? The power steering rack, it's got a couple bolts here. Obviously you can detach the, where's my dang? Here, you can detach it here. It's got a couple bolts that go through right here, so we're still leaking some brake fluid. And then you can you detach the tie rod ends and you can slide it this way, all right, like a foot, and then you can pull it out and like lift it up here and pull it out. So that can be done. All these, your stability control units got to come off, your power steering pump's got to come off. You have to take off your radiator. Best I can tell, you also got to take off your air conditioning dryer. You got to, I think that's the part's called the dryer. The heat exchanger for the air conditioner, it's got to come off. The radiator's got to come out. The power steering cooler's got to come out. Trans cooler, all that junk. Everything comes out. Every cooler you got sounds really cool in the brochure, but not so cool when you're having to take it all apart. So every fluid is going to get replaced when you do this. It's kind of a monster pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. If you're gonna do this yourself, you better be prepared for a big job. But figure we can handle it. So here we are, and hopefully in about 30 minutes here, for us, not for you, but hopefully in about 30 minutes here, we'll be pulling this old cam, putting the new monster beefy cam in there, make my car fast. All right, so Nick's gonna set down the camera so we can get back to wrenching on this thing. Oh, really? Really? That's a camshaft. Whew. There she is. There she is. LS7 camshaft. Sweet. I'm gonna look at the lobes and see if I have any bad lobes. I'm sure it ran well, but you know. Looks good, healthy motor.
Yeah.
It's like, oh my God.
So I'm saying, you can't work on a car if you're in a bad mood.
Yeah.
Because this is awesome. Right
This
there.
puts me in a good mood.
That is going to
All
add
right.
horsepower.
All right, good. Quick update. Obviously we got the water pump back on, got the crank pulley back on, cams in. Nick is putting lifters in right now. Just cleaned up the lifter valleys. I don't know if you still call them that on LS motors, but there's not a valley like for the lifters. But yeah, anyways, Nick's putting lifters in right now. Looking pretty legit. So yeah guys, it's going together. Sorry about the crappy lack of filming, but I mean, like, there's a lot to do. We're just trying to get it done, you know? All right, let's keep going.
Yeah, boy.
Going. It's going.
We'll get there someday. Coming together.
Looks like an engine again. It's a vacuum line. Why does it have a hose clamp? Because it sucks.
Things like that. Hey guys, it's been a long day, but it looks kind of like a car again. So we're about pray that it starts. Pray that it starts. What do you think, Ross? I'm not even
50-50.
50-50.
I'm 50-50.
I'm 51, 49.
51, then it'll start.
Yeah. So we'll pop that door open.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
Let's do it, guys. Let's do it.
This is legit the first time live. Open the garage door in case it does start. All right. Woo. Leave it on the jack stand.
Oh, come on. Come on. Okay guys, this is really cool because it's really smooth and it has an insane cam in it. The custom grind Ross ordered from Texas Speed Performance. This bad boy is... Okay.
Hell yeah!
Yeah! Woo! I can do anything!
Go back and listen to Baby Low!
Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god, bro. That's a hug there, bro. Woo! Not really one, but dude. I know you guys can't see the pipes, but
Oh man!
I'm jumping.
I'm
jump. That's what that was, guys. I'm getting excited.
Alright, look at this thing. What do we got here? Oil burning off.
Yeah, there's a lot of grease on everything.
Alright, let me look under here.
See anything?
It looks good under here. I don't see anything.
I don't see anything either.
I don't see anything. You?
No. You can go in there, turn the wheel, and get stuff pumping.
Well, we got a lot of oil and stuff on everything. A lot of oil and stuff, so there's going to be a lot of burn off in here. It's cleaning up.
Yep. That is. Well, guys, we're excited. We're gonna get another probably like 30, 40 minutes of gotta bleed the brakes and stuff because ABS. What? Not even a check engine light. That's how awesome this is. So we are going to bid you a farewell. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye. Peace.
Now why should I be surprised?